are back. Hello everyone, welcome back to शेयरसी। मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सबका दिन अच्छा जा रहा होगा, आप स्वस्थ और अच्छे होंगे। For me यार, मेरे को पता नहीं मेरा दिन कैसे जा रहा है, but I'm so happy with the way my team is playing right now, and especially the way we are improving the fundamentals attackingly, defensively, in terms of midfield. I'm so happy और एक ही चीज़ कहूँगा, Chelsea is here to stay now. And we will qualify for UCL this season. और जो हम इस सीजन काम कर रहे हैं, I have to give credit to ownership, I have to give credit to recruitment staff, and the biggest credit to my manager Enzo Maresca. मैंने एक चीज़ कही थी कि चेल्सी का ये ट्रांसफर विंडो हैज़ बीन द बेस्ट अंडर दिस ओनरशिप, पर मैं ज़रूर बोलूँगा कि मेरे को भी ये चीज़ एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं थी, और लास्ट सीजन मैंने ज़रूर क्रिटिसिज्म करा था, पर इस साल वी आर सीइंग द हार्ड वर्क ऑफ द रिक्रूटमेंट टीम एंड इट्स ऑल पेइंग ऑफ. द यंगस्टर्स, द टीम fully gelled, and right now we're absolutely solid. Today we battered Aston Villa. This could easily have been a 5-2, 6-2. And again, the two goals that we could have given away were all bozo moments. Defensively हम सब सुनते हैं, सब लोग कह रहे हैं कि चेल्सी यार डिफेंसिवली अच्छी टीम नहीं है, but I have to disagree with that. We are a good team defensively. Our structure is really good. Our patterns are really good. The only problem with the Chelsea team right now is that we have bozo moments. Today Sanchez was outstanding. Sweeping work, passing, goalkeeping, fantastic. From the start of the game, after that Watkins save, where it was not an easy save, Watkins was always going to go behind his leg, and he made himself big and saved it. And after that, he made a great pass to Jackson, great pass to Cucurella, then a headed pass directly to Caicedo. He was really good today, Sanchez. But the problem with Sanchez is that one day he's a Superman, one day he's a zero man, and that's the problem. Today, Fofana, outstanding tackling in 2 or 3 situations, but one mistake where thankfully Watkins is out of form, that could have been costly. And with Wesley Fofana, मैं एक ही चीज़ कहूँगा, I wish him the best here because he has been through a lot with the injuries. And again, he was injured and had to be substituted. Hopefully, मैं आशा करता हूँ कुछ serious now because I really wish the well for him, man. Injuries are really killer. This man was outstanding at Leicester and has faced too many injuries. मैं हर प्लेयर को यही विश करूँगा कि he is well and good. And with Fofana as well, again I'm wishing कि injury कुछ serious नहीं है and is well and good. Colville was outstanding today, but एक ही एरर था जो किसी दिन हमें बाइट इन द बैक कर सकता था. Caicedo at right back was superb. Lavia did his job really well. Enzo Fernandez, the way he's turned around from is really good. क्योंकि मैं भी एक चेल्सी फैन हूँ यार, मैंने पहले ही कहा था कि ये सीजन एंजो के लास्ट सीजन होने वाला है इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रूविंग हिमसेल्फ, क्योंकि अगर ये सीजन अच्छा नहीं गया, a lot of Chelsea fans will lose their patience. And he has been outstanding in the recent 4 to 5 weeks, चाहे Conference League हो, चाहे Premier League हो, चाहे सबसे appearance हो, he has been outstanding. The beautiful goal, his passing, his defensive work right now, winning all the duels. I'm so happy with Enzo. He's really good to see him perform well. And finally now with Enzo, Caicedo, Lavia, the performances, we have a very good midfield structure, good fights, and then Santos will be back next season as well. I'm so excited for this Chelsea team. And now attackingly today, the manager made changes, and again, manager got it tactically spot on. क्योंकि manager को पता था कि for this Aston Villa side, you have to press them high. Because the best thing that Aston Villa tried to do is play from the back and then nicely slot in a 2-on-2 situation with the attackers. Because what Aston Villa tried to do is play from the back, beat the press of the opposition, and then have a 2-on-2 situation, 3-on-2 situation with the opposing team. Today we pressed them so well today. Palmer, Neto, Jackson, Sancho, Enzo Fernandez, even Caicedo from the right. Everybody pressed the heck out of Aston Villa. Jackson won the ball 2 times. Could have scored. Sancho won it 1 time. Palmer won it very nicely as well. Enzo won the ball sometimes as well. Neto did really well, and we never allowed Aston Villa to play from the back nicely, bar 1 or 2 situations. We were outstanding in that terms, and tactically वो dangerous था क्योंकि अगर वो attack करते तो it could have been tough situation. But overall हमारे defenders ने अच्छा करा, bar 1 or 2 moments, and attackingly we killed them. Tactically, manager got it spot on. Changes were spot on. And Neto finally back on the right. The peaches of crosses, the way he played, one of the best signing of the season. Palmer, finally manager ने उसको right side पे डाला, and you saw what happens. When you play him in the right position, as a number 10 on the right, he always does well. On the left side, Sancho. अब Sancho आपका natural winger नहीं है, but Sancho is really good at the ball. वो एक glue की तरह ही attracts players towards him, dribble past him, जो space ease up करता है Jackson के लिए, Palmer के लिए, Neto के लिए, and it really worked well. And then Cucurella, a monster, man of the match. This man deserves all his praises. He has been outstanding since the Euros. Superb by Cucurella यार. Defensively मैंने हमेशा Cucurella को rate करा है, but offensively since the Euros, he has been outstanding. Fantastic cross from Jackson into the back of the net. Fantastic work by Mark Cucurella. Defensively 2 या 3 बार तो हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन में थे. He defensively did a fantastic job. और एक प्लेयर जिसको वेस्ट हैम की गेम पे 2022 में बू करा गया था हमारे खुद के फैन से, व्हाट नहीं 2023 में, व्हाट अ टर्न अराउंड. What a turnaround. और अभी he's one of the most loved players in the dressing room, one of the most loved players by the fans, one of, if not the best left back in the league, but overall, performance-wise, best left back इस season. Wow, Marc Cucurella. Wow. और फाइनली मैं जैक्सन पे बात करूंगा. दिस मैन इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट और इफ नॉट द बेस्ट स्ट्राइकर इन द लीग ऑन फॉर्म. ओवरऑल मैं अभी कहूंगा बेस्ट स्ट्राइकर हालैंड है, बट अगर उसके बाद आप देखोगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ हिज बॉल ऑन द वॉक, लाइक बॉल के साथ जो ऑन द फीट जैक्सन काम करता है, ऑफ द बॉल जो जैक्सन काम करता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ हिज प्रेसिंग, ऑन द बॉल उसकी ड्रिबलिंग, उसकी पेस, इन टर्म्स द वे ही लिंक्स अप विद द विंगर्स, ही कैन प्ले ऑन द विंग्स एज वेल, हिज पेस, ही हैज ऑल राउंड गेम. वो एक ऐसा स्ट्राइकर नहीं जो सिर्फ बॉक्स पे जाके फिनिश करेगा. ही बुलिश डिफेंडर्स, ही कीप्स द बॉल इन हिज फीट, ही हैज गुड पासिंग रेंज, गुड ड्रिबलिंग, सब कुछ है जैक्सन की गेम में, व्हिच रियली मेक्स मी प्राउड ऑफ हिम. बस लास्ट सीजन एक ही प्रॉब्लम थी कि जैक्सन की फिनिशिंग उस लेवल पे नहीं थी. इस सीजन ही इज इम्प्रूव्ड, हिज हेडिंग, हिज लेफ्ट फुट, राइट फुट, everything is improved and you're seeing the results on the pitch. I'm so proud of the side. With Southampton next, we just have to go game by game. अपनी गेम्स जीतनी है, आगे टेबल पे देखा जाएगा. We are 5 points above Tottenham, 6 above United, 2 above Brighton, equal with Arsenal. We are still far above the rest of the league, and overall top 4 looks really solid this season. Do you agree with me? Let me know in the comments and like and subscribe.